do? Hey, hey, hey. Oh, isn't life a bitch? And then you die. Yeah. Anyway, diesel heaters, the pump. If you put it on the wall of your van, you know, it's so annoying. There is a rubber on the side, and it still thuds. It's like a, but it vibrates our van. Now I sleep here, and the heater is there. Now the pump is on the bathroom wall, if you will. You know, in the car. I'll show you in a minute anyway. It's so annoying. Right, now I'm watching YouTube and there's a lad on it called Mel. And he does a lot of van conversion and stuff like that. Now he did something regarding some cable ties. Rather than have it fixed to a certain point, the actual pump is suspended. So therefore when it clicks, you know, it's only every couple of seconds, but it's so annoying. What was I saying then? Yeah, rather than being attached to the side wall or even your chassis, even if it's on your chassis, you'll still get that vibration. Like I said, there is a rubber mount, like I say, which I'll show you, but it doesn't do any good. It's an absolute waste of time. I think the only way you can, I don't know if you could get rid of the noise. To be honest with you, I really don't know. I can't see it myself. Anyway, I'm going to show. I've got the heater on now because I want it to calm down, and it must be cold in here for it to keep going. I want it to calm down, and then we get the pump action. You know what? When it gets into a rhythm, if you will. So yeah, let's see what happens then. I'll show you. In fact, I'll put the camera on this pillow, and just show you what. Well, hopefully you'll be able to hear it. You know, and oh, it's so bad. And at night it's worse. Why noises travel at night, I don't know. Right, the fan's calming down now. So what it is, it's got temperature. Well, you can hardly hear it now, can you? Right, in a minute, like I say, we'll start hearing the pump. You can hear it more in here. Well, imagine this against your head. Can you hear it? It's actually slowing down now. Like I say, I'm hoping you can hear that. But it ends up more of a thud. That's because it's in bathroom or bathroom wall. But this is what I get. Right, now that phone now is where my head normally is. I'm hoping you can hear it. Right, I've put some, well, brackets, some scrap wood that I have. It does look a bit crude, but hopefully it's going to work. I've only put one screw in each end, and if I need to get underneath, easy accessible. Right, all I basically do now, I've took the pump off. Where are we? Took the pump off. I'm going to put a cable tie around there and pin it on top. Like I say, it's crude, but hopefully it's going to be effective. Using some damn good bloody ties. I don't know where I got these from. Get stated there, brilliant, aren't they? Huh? I'm upset using them. Right, so I get them in there. Right, I've got a couple of straps on. It seems it can't go, like the reason for putting two, and then it's central. If it tries to go that way, this tugs, you know what I mean? It's going to rock about, but I suppose I could put some straps or something from there to there. Couldn't I? Yeah, I'll do that. Boom. Yeah, I'm only putting little tiny screws in. That tiny. Where are we? Yeah, that tiny. So tiny. So tiny I can't see. Oh, can you not see? Oh. Oh God. Right, I've got a little thing here for putting an hole in the plastic. Fuck's sake. I'm going to edit that out. I've turned it on. Right, there we go. So I've got. I'm going to try and get it. You can't see, can you really? There. There's a tie at this end, a tie at that end, and I put a tie to back there to stop it moving sideways. Which, with the by hand, it's working. So we'll shut the door and see what happens. Like I say, I'm going to hear a bit because I've got a huge vent there. But we shall see, shan't we? Right, you can still hear the ticking, which is, you have to have someone do it, but obviously, but it's not vibrating on the side of that van. We'll put these covers over and see what happens. It is only a tick tick now. Tick tick. Tick tick. Why's that not going now? Gives out some woof, doesn't it? Huh? Can you hear it? Yeah. On startup it is noisy, but once it gets to 10, which I believe is there, it's under here somewhere. Oh, sorry. It's under there somewhere is the temperature. No, a lot of people saying it isn't, but anyway, yeah, so as far as I know, it is. It is, isn't it? Right, we're puffing away like mad now. What I'm going to do is lay you down on me below. Yeah, watch telly. While I tidy up. Right, what I've had to do now is obviously shut the door. I'm going to be toast in a minute. Because obviously, yeah. Hey! Right, like I see, it's got to 10 now. Oh! It's got to temperature. Fan's calming down a bit. They're going mental. Oh, I can still hear the click. Well, it stopped the thud. Right, now you're late. That phone now is where my head normally is. I'm hoping you can hear it.